Want me to take off?
I don't know.
That kind of tickles. What is it, Martha?
What a sight.
How'd she land on my head?
I think she's preening you.
Thanks a lot, Martha. How come she took off all of a sudden? Did something scare her?
No, she just wanted to fly here.
What? She's crazy.
Yeah, she's preening herself.
When's the pooping start? She's not gonna take a nap, is she?
No, she's making herself pretty. And you too while she's at it.
She's more friendly in 30 seconds than Tilly's been to us in years.
Mm-hmm.
She's definitely a trained people bird.
Mm-hmm.
Just another day in the Hawthorne home.